What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pluck and shape your eyebrows all at home using a tweezer. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with our raggedy looking eyebrows. We're going to need a spoolie, we're going to need tweezers, and that's about it. So we're going to start by brushing our hairs up and then brushing them down. By brushing them up and down, it allows the hairs to move around more freely, so it's a little easier for us when we're trying to pluck and maneuver the hairs. Okay, so next you want to establish a shape. I'm just touching up my eyebrows, so I'm going to follow the shape I already have, but you might want to look on Instagram for inspiration or search Google Photos. When you're plucking your eyebrows, you want the pointy side of the tweezers facing up so it glides across the skin. As it's gliding across the skin, you want to close the tweezers on pieces of hair and pull them out firmly. It doesn't hurt after you get used to the pain, but until you get used to it, it might sting a little bit. Make sure you're somewhere comfortable when you start the plucking process, because if you're just standing up, your legs are going to get tired and your arms are going to get tired. So make sure you're sitting down or something. Make sure you're comfortable. Make sure you're brushing your eyebrows in between as well, so you can get the shape and you can see where else you need to pluck at. Now when it gets to the top of my eyebrow, I like to brush my hairs down so I can see where the new hairs have grown and I can pluck them. Same as the bottom half, you want to pluck in the shape that you're going to achieve, you know? When I'm plucking, I do not touch the hairs in the front or in the middle. You want to leave those hairs there. You'll come back to it when you're done if you think it's looking too thick or anything. But I do not touch the front of my eyebrow because I do not want my eyebrows to look like they're receding. I don't want it to look like they're too far apart or anything. So I leave the fronts alone and I just pluck the back and in the middle if I need to. Can y'all see the shape coming in? I know I can. And lastly, I give them one last brush to see if I need to touch any areas up, and they looking good. You see the difference? I'm gonna do my other eyebrow off camera and then I'll come back on and show you how they both look. Okay, do you see that eyebrow? That's a really nice looking eyebrow. This is what the finished product is looking like with both eyebrows done. I think they look really nice. To have only used tweezers and a spoolie, that's really nice. And it's super easy, so like you could do it too. If you do it, I want to see it. So take a picture, show me on Twitter, show me on Instagram, show me on somewhere. Thank you guys for watching my video and I'll see y'all next time. It sure feels good.